We'll guide you through how to make an automatic stone generator farm. First of all, grab some chests, and we're going to do 4 double chests, just like so. Then all you want to do is go onto one of the sides of the chests and grab a hopper and hold shift and place a hopper going into each chest. Then all you need to do is go and grab some blocks and go around the hoppers, just like so. So it should go and look something like this. Then you want to go and grab some stairs and you want to go over the chests like so. Hold on shift so you can go and place them. Then all you want to do is go around again with another type of block like this. Now grab a water bucket and you can then go and place water on the stairs like so, and then go around with another layer of blocks. Then all you need to do is go and place lava at one end like so, wait for it to spread, and then what you can do is go and break the end block like so, and you can go and place a sign there. Now what you can do is go and grab a pickaxe. If you want to go and keep it as stone, you'll need to use silk touch, which I've got here. If you want cobblestone, just use a normal pickaxe. Then all you need to do is start mining. To keep it automatic, press F3 and T, it'll reload, and then you'll keep on mining, even though I'm not holding my mouse. And you can AFK. Check your chest and you'll find the stone.